How to hide former username on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Instagram. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now click on About. Now tap on About your account. Now tap on Former Username. As you can see, there is no option to hide your former username. So unfortunately, you won't be able to hide your former username on Instagram since Instagram allows user to check former username to make people know whether it's authentic or misleading account. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.